Right, question number 9, adding custom captions in the videos. So Steven asked, what's better, captions or no captions in the video? I'm not referring to the captions that YouTube can input, but from Pictory. So he's not talking about YouTube's automatically generated captions, but from the captions that you added into your video. And again, like some videos do need captions to make it more engaging, but some don't. What people very often do is in the first 20 to 30 seconds or the first minute, add in more captions and screen to make it more engaging, like quicker moving shots and captions and everything, because this can help with retention. But I wouldn't recommend you doing like 10 minutes of all captions in your video, because this takes your editor a lot of time, costs you a lot of more money. And for most channels, unless you have like a storytelling channel or a motivational channel, people don't want to look at captions all video long, I would say personally. But again, it depends on the niche. So, and then plus that, if you're thinking about captions for what Wayu says, like um, people like to read the captions to understand what they're watching. YouTube makes auto-generated caption that you can also translate in multiple languages. So I wouldn't necessarily add in the captions so people can read the captions, because that is already integrated in YouTube itself. I would maybe make captions to make it more engaging, but other than that, I wouldn't do that.